Let me introduce Schneider Charge, your preferred at-home EV charger, in just 60 seconds. Schneider Charge enables EV drivers to charge smarter and efficiently. It integrates seamlessly with our Wiser home energy management system and is also compatible with third-party solutions. Its anti-tripping systems automatically adapts to the available power at home, avoiding interruption in the electricity supply and ensuring contracted power is never exceeded. Experience the real flexibility that comes with Schneider Charge installation. The possibility to be mounted on any wall surface, the 3 different cabling configurations, top, rear and bottom, and any cable type supports. Its intuitive mobile application ensures configuration in a few minutes. Installation is always straightforward. Also, Schneider Charge comes with training programs for electricians, reliable, localized customer support, making it a comprehensive solution to meet all the homeowners' EV charging needs. That's Schneider Charge in 60 seconds, your preferred at-home EV charger.